Are you tired of streaming bills creeping higher and higher? Between password-sharing crackdowns and rising monthly costs, it feels like cord cutting isn't the money saver it used to be. But here's some good news. If you're a YouTube TV subscriber in the US, there's a hidden deal that can slash your bill by $33 a month for the next 2 months. That's right, the same discount offered to new customers, but available to you right now, if you know where to look. Streaming live TV isn't cheap anymore. YouTube TV is one of the best cable alternatives, with over 100 live channels, unlimited DVR, multi-view, and even NFL Sunday ticket access. But it costs $82.99 per month, and that adds up fast. That's nearly $1,000 a year just for one service. So when a discount like this comes along, existing subscribers shouldn't miss it. So, what's the deal? YouTube TV has quietly rolled out a limited-time discount that brings your bill down to just $49.99 per month for 2 months. That's a savings of $33 each month, almost $70 total. The offer wasn't announced in emails or splashy ads, and many users might never notice it unless they go digging. This is the exact same promotion that new subscribers get, but now current subscribers can activate it too. Think of it as a loyalty reward, though YouTube isn't exactly shouting about it. Here's how you unlock the savings. Log in to your YouTube TV account on desktop. Some users report the offer doesn't show up reliably on the app. Go to Settings. Under Membership, click Base Plan and then select Manage. If you're eligible, you'll see an option to activate the $49.99 monthly price for the next 2 months. Click to confirm, and you're done. If you don't see the offer, don't panic. Some Reddit users suggest refreshing on desktop or checking again later, since eligibility may depend on your billing cycle. This deal comes at a really convenient time. Fall is one of the busiest seasons for sports fans. YouTube TV just locked in its deal with Fox Channels and partnered with Roku to make sure subscribers get NFL games and NBA coverage at no extra cost. So, if you're planning to watch football, basketball, or fall TV premieres, you'll want to hold on to YouTube TV. And saving $33 a month during this stretch? That's a win. Let's be honest. In 2025, streaming looks a lot like the old cable bundle. Prices are up, and every platform is cracking down on sharing accounts. Deals like this are rare, especially for existing subscribers. Most services save their best promos for new signups. That's why this YouTube TV discount stands out. It's giving current US customers a break at a time when budgets are tight. So here's the bottom line. If you're a YouTube TV user in the US, check your settings today. You could be watching live sports, local news, and your favorite shows for $49.99 instead of $82.99. That's a real deal. But it won't last forever. Don't let it slip by unnoticed. This has been your streaming tip of the week. Happy viewing.